is a lotion that I have tried. It's like one of my old-time favorites. I used almost all of the variants. Anyways guys, hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hope. On this channel we do all things beauty, product reviews, personal growth, and we have lots of fun. And if you're coming across my face for the first time, this beautiful face, then you're definitely in the right place. If you have not smashed the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Don't you like me already? Please smash the subscribe button and my notification gang. I love you guys. I see all your love and your support, and I really do appreciate it. So guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Fair and White lotion. Yes, and this is a requested video. That is why I decided to make this review, and I'm super duper excited to be shooting this video because one, this lotion is a lotion that I have tried. It's like one of my old-time favorites. I won't even lie. This product, I was using it at when it was selling at 2,800 naira or 2,500 naira, around that price range. I used it until I started buying it for about 8,500 naira to 9,000, and I said, no girl, this is the time to draw the line. I used all the variants. Let me not say all, because I mean they have lots of variants, but I used almost all of the variants. I used the Maxi Tone and the So White, which are the pinks. I used the gold. Actually, I use the soaps. I use their soaps. I use their oil. So I'm the best person on the internet space, on the YouTube space, to give you a review of this product. So stay tuned while we jump right into the video. So one of the reasons I stopped using this product was, one, it became super expensive for a young girl like me at that time. Okay, so and as if that was not enough, the fake was now saturated all over the place. Like, how can you be buying an expensive product and you're buying the fake? I mean, that was what discouraged me from, continuing with this product. But this was my safest place. This lotion was my safest lotion to use at that time. And now in this video, I'll be showing you, or I'll be telling you rather, how to identify or spot the original one when you're going to get it. So keep watching so that you don't miss any of that. Now this product, I use it. I also introduced this product to my friends. So without wasting so much time, I'm going to tell you all the things I know about this product, because trust me, like I said, I used this product for like 5 years. I used it with the soap, with everything. I was in the whole range, like the soap, the whole set rather, the soap, the oil, and everything. So without all this plenty rambling, let me quickly tell you one of the important ingredients in this lotion. Number one, it has hydroquinone, but it is not written hydroquinone on the bottle. Yes, I know for you, some people, even me, when I used it for like years, I didn't even know it had hydroquinone. Well, when at that time I didn't understand ingredient list. I didn't know that hydroquinone had other names. I was just like, okay, I'm using a lightening product. It's safe, it's moisturizing, or I'm always flaunting my skin and flaunting the product. I'm going to see if I can find a picture of me when I was using that product. So I'm going to put it on the screen if I find it, but if I can't, I'm sorry guys, it's a long time ago. So like, I didn't know it had hydroquinone. That was the first thing that when I knew, it broke my heart. But then it was just less than 2%, and you know that hydroquinone is not something you want to use on your skin for a very long time. So I'm rambling already. Let me take you to the next point, which is the ingredient lists. So guys, I wrote all of the ingredient lists down because I'm not a machine and I cannot remember everything, but I wrote it down. It has aqua, which is water, cetyl alcohol, propylene glycol. It has stearic acid, 1.9 hydro. Now this is it. Hydroxyphenol, which is same as hydroquinone. At that time, I didn't even know hydroxyphenol was same as hydroquinone. So in case you're wondering, that is what hydroquinone is written. The form it is written in this ingredient list is not written hydroquinone. Isopropyl you guys, we've gotten to that point. I'm not going to stress myself. No. It has plenty ingredient list. So the most important one that I've told you guys is that one. That's hydroxyphenol, which is like what a lot of people are beginning to get aware of. Yes, there are other things. There's propylene paraben. There's what paraben. See guys, I can't go through that. I beg. I'm not even in the mood to break my teeth this afternoon. Anyways, so yes, this product has hydroquinone, but then it has it at 1.9%, which is okay if you ask me. Some people would say this product don't work on them. Yes, it doesn't work on some skin because of some certain reasons, and I'm going to tell you guys why it didn't work on their skin, or why it's not working on your skin, and what you should do to make it work, if at all it's not working. Okay, so now I'm beginning to see this product on almost every shelf. So this product is already like, it's beginning to come back, and I noticed that one of the reasons is because they have now put like a way for us to identify the original one, and I'm going to be putting a picture right here on the screen to show you guys how to identify the original one. Now the way it used to be before, it doesn't have anything like a scratch pin. I think the manufacturer of this product already knows that a lot of people drifted away from the product because the fake was now all over the market. Like, before you buy one original, you're going to buy 10 fakes. It was that bad. So I think that was why they now, you know, started producing now, and then they put a scratch pin. Once you scratch that pin and you send those numbers to the number where you're supposed to send it to, and it does not give you feedback that it is authentic, then you have gotten the fake. So I think for that reason now people are beginning to stock it up back, and people have started using the product again. Yes, so I haven't tried it recently, but I'm actually saying based on what I used to know and how it used to work. But I was able to talk to a few people. Yes, your girl has done a lot of research for you guys. I've been able to research on this product, and people still say great things about this product. The first thing I'm going to advise you when using this product is it contains hydroquinone, and it shouldn't be used for more than 3 months. If you're going to be using it, please incorporate your moisturizers while using it. Yes, it's moisturizing, I can't lie. It's lightweight. It has a beautiful texture. I love the texture. That's for the So White. It is lightweight. I love it. But then it is also moisturizing, don't get me wrong, but you still need a moisturizer because it is a lightening product. So I used this product in my early 20s, mid 20s, and I really enjoyed it. But now look at it. I was very young, like I'm still very young, yeah, but like I was much more younger at that time. It's not like it is now. My skin is not feeling the same way. You get the gist. So right now it is not as it used to be. At that time, my skin could take and accumulate all of that lightening product and still feel very fresh, plump. Yes, it will still make your skin plump and fresh. But then I advise that if you're going to start using this product right now or any point in time in your life, you need a moisturizer, because a lightening product is always a lightening product. You need a moisturizer to go with. It is hydrating, it is moisturizing, yes, but I would advise you to still use a moisturizer from time to time, just to keep your skin safe from the hydroquinone content in it. Now, another thing I'm going to advise you about using this product is, well, if you have intended to incorporate moisturizers into your skincare routine while using this product, I would advise you just use your moisturizers during the day and you use this product at night. It is super effective. I won't even lie. It will make your skin plump, and then yes, it can even be pro-mixed. Yeah, the truth is I used to use lightening products. I mean, those kind of lightening products and all that pro-mixing. You know, we are not reverse aging, so I'm trying to use as much as I can get healthy products on my skin at the moment. I'm now working on doing a lot of moisturization and hydration. And if you've used lightening products before and you want to get back your skin tone, you want to come back to using a moisturizing product that has no lightening or maybe just mild brightening, put down in the comment section. I need to know that I'm not the only one in this. So do not use this product for more than 3 months, like I said initially. Secondly, guys, make sure that you use this product at night and incorporate moisturizer. Third thing is, make sure you use a sunscreen. While you're using this product, you need a sunscreen. If you want me to kneel down to beg you to use a sunscreen, I am going to kneel down and beg you. Please do not use this product and come outside the sun, carry your skin and come and spread under the sun. It will darken you and it will not work. You remember when I said I'm going to tell you the reason why the product doesn't work on you? Yes, that is why it doesn't work. I remember one of those times that I started using this product newly. My skin was plump, beautiful. I was on like the 3rd bottle. Then I started working where I have to work under the sun, and I didn't have an idea that sunscreen had a very big role to play in my skincare at that time. A lot of us were ignorant about sunscreen at that time, no doubt. So I was one of those ignorant ones. Like my regular, and I used to rub it on my face, every part of my body, and then I went out into the sun. I noticed that by the time I got home that day, the picture I took while on field that day, I got home and I noticed that my whole chest, I wore like a v-neck top and I wore a jacket, So my neck, guys, look at how I'm sweating. Oh my god. You guys need to subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you need to subscribe, because you guys see now, look, I am drenched. I can't on the fan so that you will hear me. So please, and I don't have an AC here in this room. So guys, please help me subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm going to appreciate it. So now back to what I was saying. I wore a v-neck top, and then I took a picture while on field at that very day. By the time I got home and I was looking at that picture, my whole neck, as a matter of fact, when I even removed the clothes I was wearing, my whole neck was black. Then every other part of my body was very fair. My face too was dark, but my neck down to my chest, it was worse. So at that time, I had to start repairing the skin, and I started wearing clothes that would cover me when I'm going out into the sun. Yes, you get the gist. Long story short, please use a sunscreen while you're using this product. You are not invisible to the sun. No matter who you are, how powerful you are, no matter how rich you are, no matter how strong you are, the sun don't give a damn about that skin. It is going to burn it. So this product burnt my skin because why? I wouldn't say the product. Generally, even whether you're using the lightening product or not, always go up to the sunscreen. So if you're using this product, you need a sunscreen in your dear life. Thank you. I hope I've been able to convince you. So now to the next thing that happened to me while I was using this product. While I was using it at that time, trust me, a lot of people loved my skin. I was born caramel, dark caramel skin. Yeah guys, that was my skin tone as my mama born me. In other words, when my mother gave birth to me, she gave birth to me as a dark caramel baby girl, a sweet loving skin tone. That was the first lightening product. Is it the first? No, the second lightening product I used in my entire life. The first one was one product, I'm not going to mention the name because I have a special video that I'm going to make and tell you guys product that almost ruined my life. So that one, well, I didn't use it for long because it just took me from 0 shades to like 10 shades. So I said, no, I don't want to bleach you, and I ran away from that one. I didn't even finish the cup. It was jelly one. It was somewhat jelly, so but it was in a cream container. I didn't know it was even gel. It was in a gel form. It was until I got home I opened it, this thing is gel. So I used it, and then it was whitening me. I had to run away. It was obvious that this girl had started bleaching, so I had to run away from my dear life. And then I now went to get this fair and white lotion. The first time I got it, I think I got it for 2,500 naira, which was like $5 to $6. But then imagine at that time getting it for that amount. So later it started increasing 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 until 8,500 naira. How much was I earning? I don't understand. I had to just jump the product. Like, no, you can't ruin my life. So I used this product for the longest, and I loved it at every time that I used it. I was glowing. In fact, 2 of my friends saw my skin that time. One, I remember, stopped using it because she said it was not lightening her in any way. That was because she was not scrubbing. So if you're using this product and it's not lightening you, you probably used to enter under the sun. Number one, I've mentioned that one before. You don't scrub your skin, which was something that I wasn't so much doing at that time. But the soap has exfoliants. Now I was using it with the soap. Now that is where we had the difference. The bar soap I was using at that time, it was the same soap and it had exfoliants in it. At first I wasn't using it with the oil, but later I now wanted more. I was loving my skin and I wanted to go another shade lighter, so I got the oil as well. So the person I was using at that time was not exfoliating her skin in any way. Nothing exfoliating. She was just rubbing the cream, jumped from Caro white to that lotion, so it wasn't working. Then I had another friend that had not even altered her skin in any way. She was using it and it was working very fine. The reason why she stopped it too was because it became very expensive, and then for her to get original, it was only at one store, and then they would have to deliver. She was paying a lot for delivery and everything, so it was becoming too stressful. She had to drop the lotion. So that was why we had to drop the lotion at that time. Now if you are going to use this product, for it to work well for you, need to exfoliate your skin. For any product to work well for you, long story short, exfoliate. Guys, I am already losing my breath talking fast, but I want to just be cutting it short. Guys, exfoliate your skin. Do not expose your skin to sunlight. That is why it's probably not working. And then what was the first thing I mentioned? You guys get the gist. See, just go and do all the recaps. So that is basically what I have to say. If you want to mix this product, yes, it can be pro mixed. Just Get the oil. It has its own oil. I advise that when you're using Fair and White products, get their other ranges if you want to use other. I mean, if you can afford the soap is quite expensive. Then when I started using it, it was 800 naira. I stopped using it at when it got to 2,500 naira. Abi, am I correct? 2,000 naira to 2,500 naira. But I started using it on when it was 800 naira. That was like $1 or less than $1 at that time. So now it became very expensive. I had to drop all. I had to, you know, stop using it at some point. So this product works really well. If you want to buy it, feel free. It's a good product, you won't regret it, but just use it wisely. Make sure that using it, just use it at night, and don't rush. It's not a product that will give you overnight brightness or overnight whitening or lightening. It will not whiten you per se, right? It is going to lighten you depending on your skin type. But if you want it to now whiten you, that means you need to add the oil or maybe the tube. But I don't advise all of that tube thing. Yes, I didn't use the tube on my skin. I won't lie. I did not mix the tube in my cream, but people do it, and I know how to mix it, but I am not interested in mixing it. So I only tell you based on my own experience. I did not mix it with the tube, but I remember I mixed the oil with the cream once or twice, and it made me white, because product works pretty fast on my skin and works really well. So it made me white that I had to even now stop it for some time and then went back to it. So if you want to use this product, it's overall a good product. You can get other products for your face if you want, but I used it because I'm not going to come and lie to you guys. That time I was ignorant of my skincare, but it was working for my face too. I was using the body cream on my face with the oil, everything on my face, and it was working. I won't lie, it was working. But now that we are no longer ignorant of our skincare, I'm not going to advise you to use it on your face. But overall, please use sunscreen while using this product. It is a very good product. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you've watched up to this point, it means you have enjoyed this video. And if you have watched up to this point and you enjoyed it and you have not subscribed, I don't know what to say to you. I love you, but please subscribe, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.